everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this now L-Arginine. My husband and I have both been taking this for over a year now and we've really liked it. These are 1,000 milligram capsules and 120 capsules per bottle. I take this with a full glass of water or juice, like at least 8 ounces, just to make sure you're not gonna upset your stomach. My husband has loved this because he works out and trains really hard, and this helps with blood vessel dilation. So he has really good circulation and really good energy while working out. I have loved it for the energy factor. I just feel better. I have a lot more natural energy, and that's something that I like to use instead of caffeine or any other kind of stimulants for kind of fake energy. I like this way more. We have been using this, like I said, for over a year. I haven't had any issues whatsoever. It doesn't upset my stomach. It doesn't upset his. We've just really enjoyed it. So if you are looking for something that's maybe just going to give you some energy, maybe want to help your circulation, those blood vessels are going to be feeling a lot more dilated with this. I would highly recommend that you look into this product. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.